Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we will develop this SolidWorks model. We'll go to the new, then go to the part, and then OK. From here, we can change the background color. We will select sketch, then we will select the front plane. So this is the front plane. Its height is 50 millimeter and width is 90 millimeter, and extrude is also 50 millimeter. So we'll select this one, rectangle. We will draw a rectangle, then we will go to smart dimension. This is height is 50, and we will put this length is 90. Okay, then go to exit the sketch, then go to feature, then go to Extrude Boss, and this is 50 millimeter. So here we will put width is 50 millimeter and said okay. Right, so now we need to create this circular extruded cut. So the dia of this one is 12, and it is the center of this one. So we'll select this face, then go to sketch. Okay, so we have a reference point here. So we'll select the circle, we will select this point, draw the circle, and here we will give the dimension. So diameter is 12, so we'll put the value is 12, and then go to feature, and then go to extruded cut. So we will select from through all. That's it. So we have created this one. Now we need to create this cut, this side and this side. We will select this face, then go to sketch. Okay, so here we can draw a central line. So we will draw a central line. Okay, now we need to cut 50 millimeter from this side and 50 millimeter from this side, and this is 20 and this is 20, right? So it means that we need to draw a rectangle, or we can just select the line. We will draw a line in this way and close this one. Now we go to smart dimension. The distance from here to here is 20. Similarly, the distance from here to here is also 20, right? And the cut width is 15, so we'll give it 15, right? So we also need to do the similar cut at this side, so we can use the mirror command. So we'll select the mirror entity. First we will select the line, so we'll select this line. We want to mirror this sketch around this line, so we'll select this about, and then here the entities that we want to measure, so we'll select all these entities and said okay, and then we will go to feature and then go to extrude cut. So we'll select through all. It's now we need to cut this cut, and we need to keep 10 millimeter above and 10 millimeter down. So we will select this sketch, then go this face, and then go to sketch. Okay, and from here we will select the rectangle. We will select this circle to this one, right? Now we need to specify this dimension. So this is 10, and from here to here is also 10, but we don't need to. You can see that it's over defined because we using the rectangle. If we do that, then we are going to over define. If we got this problem, just cancel this one, and we already have our sketches fully defined. Just go to feature, then go to extruded cut, and through all is okay. So now our model is ready. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my upcoming video.